Tips and tricks for getting the most out of WhatsApp. In the world of social media and instant messaging, WhatsApp has become an integral part of our lives. Since its inception in 2009, it has come a long way in terms of its user base and features. It is now one of the most widely used messaging applications globally. In this video, we will discuss the history of WhatsApp, its features, and the reasons for its popularity. The history of WhatsApp. WhatsApp was founded in 2009 by Jan Koum and Brian Acton. Koum had been working as a software engineer at Yahoo and was interested in creating a messaging platform that would be simple, fast, and reliable. Koum partnered with Acton, and together they developed WhatsApp, a messaging application that would allow users to send messages and share media with their contacts. The first version of WhatsApp was released on the App Store in 2009, and it quickly gained popularity due to its user-friendly interface and free messaging service. Features of WhatsApp. WhatsApp has come a long way from its initial release, and it now offers a range of features that make it a popular messaging application. Instant messaging. Users can send text messages and voice messages and share media with their contacts in real time. Voice and video call. WhatsApp allows users to make free voice and video calls to their contacts. End-to-end encryption. WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption to protect user data, ensuring that messages and media shared on the platform are secure. Group chats. Users can create groups on WhatsApp and chat with multiple people at once. Status updates. Users can share status updates with their contacts, which disappear after 24 hours. The popularity of WhatsApp. WhatsApp's popularity can be attributed to several factors, including its user-friendly interface, free messaging service, and end-to-end encryption. Additionally, WhatsApp is available on multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, and desktop, making it accessible to a broad user base. WhatsApp's ability to make voice and video calls to its users has also contributed to its popularity, especially in regions with limited access to traditional telecommunications infrastructure. WhatsApp for Business. In recent years, WhatsApp has launched a business version of its application, known as WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business offers features such as automated messages, quick replies, and messaging statistics, making it a valuable tool for businesses to engage with their customers. Future of WhatsApp. WhatsApp's popularity shows no signs of slowing down, and the platform continues to evolve to meet the changing needs of its users. Recently, WhatsApp has announced plans to launch new features, including the ability to use the platform on multiple devices simultaneously and to share disappearing messages. Additionally, WhatsApp has launched payment services in select regions, allowing users to make payments through the platform. Conclusion. WhatsApp has come a long way since its inception, and it has become an essential part of our lives. Its user-friendly interface, free messaging service, and end-to-end encryption have made it a popular messaging application globally. With the launch of WhatsApp Business and new features in the pipeline, WhatsApp is poised to continue to be a leading messaging platform in the years to come.